Mister, your large part of the abdominal cavity is missing. Are you experiencing any problems?
No, I feel fine. I have no problems related to this.
You also said that you do not need to drink and eat.
Yes, I can eat and drink, but I don't need it.
Okay, what happens to this sphere when you eat food?
I don't want to talk about it now.
Do you think the sphere in your stomach is something strange? Are you experiencing stress because of your unusual appearance?
No, I do not feel stressed because of this. This round sphere does not bother me. I live calmly, as I used to live before.
So, the last question. How did you get this sphere? What was your reaction to it?
I just woke up one day, and it already happened. I have no idea how this happened. I was in shock.
Well, our meeting is coming to an end. In the evening, a scientist will come to you and play chess with you, just as you like.
Thanks. Good luck to you.